In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your company settings in QuickBooks Online. Getting these settings right from the beginning will save you time later and make your books cleaner and more professional. First, let's open up the main settings area. In the top right corner of QuickBooks Online, look for the small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that. A menu will drop down, and under the section labeled Your Company, choose Account and Settings. This is the control center for your company details and how QuickBooks behaves in the background. Once you're in Account and Settings, you'll start with your basic company information. Here you can add your company logo, legal name, and the name you want customers to see. Take a moment to make sure the legal name matches what's on your tax documents, while the company or trading name can be the more customer-friendly version. Next, fill out your contact information. Enter a general company email, phone number, and your website address. This information can appear on invoices and other documents that go out to customers, so it's worth using contact details that are monitored regularly. Then, add your addresses. Start with your main physical address, and if needed, you can add separate addresses for legal purposes or for what appears on customer-facing forms. For example, you might have a legal address that's different from your storefront or office location. Keeping these accurate helps with both compliance and customer communication. You'll also see a section for company type. Here, select the tax form your business files and choose your industry. This helps QuickBooks tailor certain reports and settings to better fit how your business operates. While you're here, upload your company logo by clicking the plus symbol or the upload box. A clear, high-quality logo will automatically appear on your sales forms and other documents, giving everything a more branded, professional look. Now let's customize a few other key settings. Under Sales, you can adjust how your sales forms look, set your standard payment terms, and choose what details appear on estimates and invoices. Under Expenses, you can turn on billable expenses, enable purchase orders, and tweak the default messages used when emailing those documents. In the Time section, set the first day of your work week and decide how you want to track employee time. This is important if you bill customers based on hours or run payroll. Finally, under Advanced, set your fiscal year, choose your accounting method, and enable extra tools like class and location tracking. You can also turn on warnings for duplicate invoice or bill numbers to help avoid errors. Each time you make a change in any section, click Save so nothing is lost. When everything looks good and you're finished adjusting settings, select Done to exit. Your QuickBooks Online company is now configured with the right information and preferences.